this would be my review of this humidifier, which doesn't work. I have taken out the water 2 times and it's filled up all the way to here, which is below the max line. This is the brand. Watch what happens when I turn it on. So I plug it in and this doesn't light up. So number one, like this does not light up at all. Nothing comes out of here. It does make noise, listen. But that beeping doesn't stop. Like nothing I do will stop the beeping. It's plugged into the wall, as you can see. And the water line is here, so it's below the max line. You know, it's turned on. It makes bubbling sounds. But it doesn't work. The thing does not work. I have tried everything. I got this as a gift when I was going through breast cancer. My best friend gave it to me. I unboxed it a few days ago, but I didn't plug it in or do anything with it until just today. And now it doesn't work. So I don't have the heart to tell my friend that her $60 gift isn't working. I don't know what to do. Doesn't work, doesn't light up, just makes bubbling sounds. Nothing's coming out of here. It beeps. Do you hear it beeping? It gurgles, but nothing's working. Does not work. Nothing I've done wrong. I've read the directions. I've even gone to ChatGPT to try to figure it out, but still, like, it's just not working. Doesn't light up, nothing. So, piece of crap.
Some of this, like, well, calcium dust, I'm guessing is kind of what that is, but it's beautiful and it's absolutely perfect. It's got a nice large reservoir. Looks like mine's getting a little bit low there, but we've been letting it run for a while and it's doing a really good job. Again, only complaint has nothing to do with the unit, it has to do with my water supply. I should be using water that is not hard, but that's all I got, so yeah, there's that. But otherwise, it does an amazing, I mean, look at that. Just does an amazing job of putting out nice mist and for humidifying the house here. So, highly recommended.
Non. Ma fò vidéo pour y aller, bébé.
This is the only bedroom on this floor, so it does give you that separation that you guys are looking for between you and your guests.
Right. They see 2 additional bedrooms and a bath upstairs. Then head down.
This is our indoor humidifier, and it keeps these guys very, very happy, even though it's cold and snowy out there. It is nice, and these plants are doing awesome. It also keeps our room very comfortable. Great deal, guys.